Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
You got this fraud disc going on here. I mean, you've been very creative. Very, very creative. Where you get this disc from?
I get my car license from someone.
You get a license from someone?
Yeah.
From someone?
Yeah.
So they make this for you?
I really know, you know.
Yeah, they make this for you because
viewers and subscribers, I am assuming that this vehicle has no paperwork whatsoever, and I am not talking about the receipt for the purchase of the vehicle nor the insurance, because you know different countries might have different law towards the whole road traffic act is what I'm saying to you, so I can't really talk about that part. Before me say anything else, let me explain this. According to what has been said on social media is that this video shows of a vehicle that had been stopped by a police officer, and the disc, you get me, some persons out there might call it a disc, some persons call it sticker, and some countries call it a tax disc. You know what I mean? I'm not sure what other countries call it, but some countries call it a tax disc. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, that disc in the video, according to social media and what has been seen in the video, it would seem as if that disc is fake or fraud. Now, viewers and subscribers, if that what had happened in the video had happened in Jamaica, right, to my knowledge, here's what I'm saying to you, that vehicle has no paperwork to be on the road. You see me? And let me explain why. You see me? You buy a vehicle, you know, so you have your receipt for the vehicle. That's a totally different story. You have to make sure that the vehicle has its fitness. A brand new vehicle will come with a fitness. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you know the thing go. So, if your vehicle is not brand new and you buy it second hand and you know the fitness for it is not up to date, you have to go to the tax office of Jamaica and you pay a fee, then you carry that vehicle to the examiner. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, that's at a depot or what they want to call it. You see me? After the examiner examine your vehicle and him say yes it fit, he will give you the paper that says yes it is certified. And that's when you take that paper to the insurance company, you get the insurance, and that's when you take those two things to the tax office again and you pay for the vehicle to be licensed to be on the road. And please don't forget, you know, viewers and subscribers, that you have to have your driver's license as well, you know. You get what I'm saying to you? So the license for the vehicle be on the road is a total different story from you having your driver's license. You know? You have to have these two things. You have to have the driver's license to show that you can operate a vehicle. You get what I'm saying to you? And the vehicle has to be fit everything and the certain paperwork, like I just explained. You get me? But here's the part now that really seems bad right about now, viewers and subscribers. If a vehicle had been stopped by a police officer and the disc that is on the front screen, because that disc has to be at a place where it is easy to be seen by police officers or so on. Is what I'm saying to you? If that disc turns out to be fraud, and if the police ask you, or maybe if him don't ask you, you know, where you get it from, in my point of view, or my opinion, I think that the driver of the vehicle may have to give somewhat of a statement or account as to where him get that or where she get that from. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? You see what I'm saying? There might be more consequences towards the whole situation. I mean, what if the person decide not to tell where get it from? You get what I'm saying to you? So who knows? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it, and you can also tell me what you think about what you have seen in the video as well. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?